Okay, we are at Unique Woodworking in Weymouth, Massachusetts, and this is Gary Madeira, and we're going to let him tell us how the three different manufacturing cells in his shop work. Go ahead, Gary.
Well, this here is the flat table router. This is where we cut and bore cabinet parts for, say, 50 cabinets or so, and it has an off rake, which we have to rake over here and back down to the edge bander, where they go into the edge bander and get ready for assembly. The bottoms and tops go on the index 30 with the cabinets, because the cabinets are all constructed with dowel construction. Around the corner here, we have the Streamig vertical panel saw, automatic panel saw. We typically use this to cut the parts for 10 cabinets or less. Cabinet jobs, all the parts are cut on the Streamig. And then over here we have the SCMI beam saw with the SCMI point-to-point machine. And this cell is geared more to 100 cabinets and more. A little more handling in here, but a lot faster production than the CNC over there. So we have two technologies here, two different cells with the Streamig complementing the two cells.
That's great. Thank you much, Gary.